Welcome back to Future Phone Flash. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding two smartphone giants, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Get ready for an exciting ride as we uncover all the juicy details. Galaxy S25 Ultra and UFS 4.1 breakthrough. Let's start with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rumors suggest it might feature the cutting-edge storage tech UFS 4.1. But what does this mean for users? We'll explore how UFS 4.1 can supercharge your phone's speed, app launch times, camera prowess, and AI capabilities. Decoding the power of UFS 4.1. While UFS 4.0 was revolutionary, UFS 4.1 promises refined performance, especially in AI-driven tasks. Faster read/write speeds could mean smoother AI features like smart scene optimization and instant language translations, potentially boosting battery life. Galaxy S25 Ultra's potential unleashed with whispers of UFS 4.1. The Galaxy S25 Ultra looks set to dazzle AI enthusiasts. We'll discuss how this upgrade might enhance multitasking, extend battery life, and make the S25 Ultra future-proof for demanding tasks. Sneak peek into iPhone 16 Pro Max. Switching gears, let's talk about Apple's flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. From design changes to performance upgrades, we'll explore what to expect from this highly anticipated device. Design and size dynamics. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to retain its predecessor's design, but with a larger display. We'll delve into how this could redefine the user experience and whether it's worth the upgrade. Performance boosts and AI marvels. Equipped with the Apple A18 Pro chip and iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max promises improved performance and AI capabilities. We'll discuss what these upgrades mean for daily use and whether they justify the price. Enhanced camera, audio, and battery life. From camera improvements to audio quality and battery longevity, we'll cover all the rumored upgrades for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts. Redefining design excellence. Imagine an iPhone 16 Pro Max with a sleek finish and vibrant colors, thanks to innovative titanium processing methods that raise the bar for smartphone aesthetics. Immersive display experience. Get ready for an immersive journey with the iPhone 16 Pro Max's expansive 6.9-inch display, offering stunning visuals and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate with Liquid Retina XDR technology. Unleashing performance potential. Powered by the cutting-edge second-generation 3nm chip, the Apple A18 Pro promises unmatched performance and AI capabilities, complemented by iOS 18's groundbreaking AI features. Future-proof connectivity solutions. Stay ahead of the curve with Wi-Fi 7 support and an efficient 5G modem, ensuring seamless connectivity and readiness for evolving network standards. Capturing brilliance, hearing excellence. Elevate your photography game with a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera paired with unparalleled audio quality that sets new standards for smartphone audio technology. Endurance and fast charging solutions. Enjoy extended battery life and rapid charging capabilities, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max your reliable companion for all-day adventures. Revealing camera enhancements. Let's kick things off with the camera upgrades. According to reliable insider Ice Universe on Dotibio, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature a quad-camera setup with some truly impressive improvements. Here's what we can expect. A massive 200-megapixel primary camera, a sharp 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a powerful 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, an incredible 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Contrasting with the current leader, Galaxy S24 Ultra. To put this in perspective, let's compare it with the current Galaxy S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra boasts a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, embracing higher resolution sensors. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Samsung is upgrading nearly all of its rear cameras to higher resolution sensors. For years, Samsung has stuck to 10 and 12-megapixel sensors for its telephoto and ultra-wide cameras, while competitors have moved to 50-megapixel or higher resolution sensors. This upgrade should result in better detail and quality, especially in various lighting conditions. Enhancing video quality. These upgrades are expected to allow for 8K video recording on all rear-facing cameras of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This is a significant step forward, especially for content creators and videographers. Speculations and rumors. There are rumors circulating that Samsung might introduce a new 200-megapixel sensor, possibly closer to a 1-inch sensor in size. If true, this could bring a significant improvement in camera quality, approaching professional-grade photography. Other Galaxy S25 models. As for other models in the Galaxy S25 series, such as the standard Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus, details about their cameras are still a mystery. However, with the official announcement expected early next year, we should start hearing more details soon. Additional features. Beyond the camera upgrades, we're also anticipating a noticeable design change, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, and One UI 7 software based on Android 15. This combination promises a smoother, more intuitive user experience. Potential introduction of XNS processor. There's also speculation about the debut of a new XNS processor, possibly the Exynos Y500. This chipset could offer high performance and efficiency, with features tailored specifically for Galaxy devices, improving the overall user experience. Unveiling design and size. Let's begin by exploring the design and size of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's expected to continue the sleek titanium frame and flat-screen design from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, get ready for a significant increase in screen size to 6.9 inches, making it larger than ever before. Features and upgrades explored. Moving on to features and upgrades, we'll discuss the rumored new capture button on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, while retaining popular features like the action button and USB-C port. Additionally, Apple may introduce a new titanium processing technique to enhance the device's appearance and color retention. Display and performance insights. When it comes to display, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a stunning 6.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. In terms of performance, expect the powerful Apple 18 Pro chip, promising improved AI capabilities and faster connectivity with Wi-Fi 7 and 5G support. Camera and audio highlights. One of the stand-up features of the iPhone 16 Pro Max could be its camera upgrades, including a rumored 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera for breathtaking photos. As always, Apple's commitment to audio quality and haptic feedback is likely to shine through in this new model. Battery life and pricing details. Let's delve into battery life and pricing. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to come with a larger battery capacity for extended usage between charges. While pricing details are not confirmed, it's speculated to start at $1,199 for the 256GB version. Outro. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro Max promises significant improvements in design, performance, and camera capabilities compared to its predecessor. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the release date. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, take care.